How to change the password of your Rocket Money account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the password of your Rocket Money account. So to do that, first of all, open the Rocket Money app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your Rocket Money account. Now once you're logged in, tap on the gear icon or the settings icon on the top left corner of your screen and then tap on the option profile. Now once you've done that, under security you can see the option change password. Simply tap on it, and now you'll have to first of all enter your current password over here. So let me simply enter that real quick. Now once you've done that, you'll have to create a new password for your Rocket Money account. So before you create a password, make sure your password has at least 8 characters, one number, one uppercase and one lowercase letter. So once you have all of those on your password, simply type it in over here. Now once you've done that, you'll have to confirm it by typing it again in the box below. And once you've entered your current password, your new password and confirmed it, tap on the save option which is in the top right corner of your screen. And there you have it. So that is basically how you change the password of your Rocket Money account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.